Hey guys, this is Rupesh from Beebom.com and this is something really cool. So this is Samsung's new product, a smart wardrobe actually, and this is called Samsung AirDresser. Now there are a lot of questions around it. What does it do? How is it actually useful? How does it work? What are the smart features? Well, I'm going to answer everything, so let's begin. Now there's a lot of cool tech in the Samsung AirDresser, but first up, I'm going to talk about what the AirDresser does and how it is useful. Now let me make one thing very clear, the Samsung AirDresser is not a washing machine replacement. It does not wash clothes. What the Samsung AirDresser does is it sanitizes the clothes, cleans them up by removing dust and bad smell, and it also removes the wrinkles. Personally, I think the AirDresser is aimed at clothes that you wear regularly, clothes that you basically reuse, like say jackets that you wear quite often, blazers that you wear a lot and you can't get them dry cleaned every now and then, kids' clothes, woolen clothes, or even your regular clothes like say your t-shirt or polo shirts. Now I've been using the AirDresser for a few days now and it's pretty good. See, I tested the AirDresser with my blazer, my jackets and my polo shirts in the normal mode. Now there are a lot of other modes here, but I'll talk about them in a bit. Anyway, the normal mode takes around 40 minutes and after it's done, the clothes just feel and look different. There's this really nice new cloth smell to them and basically it seems like you're wearing them for the first time and there's no dirt or anything. Plus the clothes are also warm and that's great in this chilly winter season. And lastly, while it does not remove heavy wrinkles from clothes, I did notice that wrinkles from my blazer were gone, so it's awesome. Now the tough thing is this is not something I can show you visually, but trust me, the AirDresser makes a great impact on clothes. Which is great because this is aimed at people who can't get their clothes washed or dry cleaned every single day or week, but they need their clothes to get refreshed and the AirDresser does a great job at that. Okay, so how does the AirDresser do it? What's the tech here? So it's all pretty cool. So you just put in the clothes on these hangers called Samsung Air hangers, which are different from the usual hangers because they allow air to flow in from both top and the bottom. By the way, there's also this accessory so that you can use your old age hangers. When talking about accessories, there's also this shelf which you can attach here and place things like caps, soft toys, masks, etc. Anyway, every time you put in a cloth in the AirDresser, four things happen. First up, there's jet steam, which is at the bottom and it's basically a steam nozzle placed here that sanitizes the clothes, killing all the viruses and bacteria, the usual 99%. Then the jet air in combo with the air hangers blows air on the clothes from the top, removing any dust on the clothes. There's another heat pump at the bottom, by the way, which is used to dry the clothes at low temperature. Then there are the three filters that freshen up the clothes, air filter and lint filter for the dust and dirt, and the deodorizing filter that eliminates 99% odors like tobacco, sweat and food smells from the clothes to refresh them. So basically jet steam, jet air and these filters combine to get things done. Now apart from that, there are two water tanks at the bottom. As you can see, a drain tank where all the waste water goes and the other is the refill tank that you need to fill manually after every 3-4 cycles. Basically, you don't have to install any drain pipe or laundry line for water, which I think is very convenient because this way you can put the AirDresser wherever you want. So that's about the working of the AirDresser, but what's also interesting is that there's so much control in this thing. As you can see, there's this display which shows the current mode and the time remaining, and there are multiple touch buttons for different modes and controls. So there's a mode for normal clothes, delicate clothes, a sanitize mode for proper sanitization, a quick mode which takes the least time, around 20 minutes. There's also dry mode to basically dry any clothes, and there are additional modes here, one of which is room care, which actually lets you open up the door and use the AirDresser to dehumidify your room. Anyway, on its right is also a special mode which has different clothes specific modes. Now there are a lot more options and settings here on the AirDresser as well as on the Samsung SmartThings app, which by the way you can use to remotely control the AirDresser from your Android smartphone or even iPhone, be it setting modes, checking the time remaining, self-clean history of the AirDresser, the energy monitor and more. So there's a lot of functionality. Now coming to the pricing, the Samsung AirDresser is obviously a luxurious smart wardrobe. It's priced at rupees 1.1 lakhs and it's available at Samsung.com, Amazon and Flipkart. And there are some exciting offers, but it is clear that luxury comes at a price. Now, to be honest, for someone who needs to take care of your blazers or other expensive clothes, sanitize them, get them clean, and you obviously can't get them dry cleaned every single week, the AirDresser could be for you. This is also actually great for offices, restaurants, showrooms, so that people can get their clothes cleaned up while they're there. Anyway, overall, it's definitely a very cool, very innovative, smart system from Samsung. But what do you guys think of the Samsung AirDresser? Comment below. Also, give this video a like. Make sure to share it and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.